This three-part module introduces the fundamental properties of bonds, particularly fixed-rate bonds, and the most important measures of bond yields and price sensitivities. It also familiarizes you with a number of Excel functions that can greatly assist you in your understanding of these bond properties. This module consists of 6 chapters, the first 2 of which appear in Part 1, then 1 chapter appears in Part 2, and the last 3 chapters appear in Part 3. Chapter 1 examines the principal contractual terms of a bond and teaches you how to calculate the exact size of the cash flows under a bond, particularly with regard to the coupon payment, given the payment frequency and day count convention. Chapter 2 introduces the various yield measures for bonds, the fundamental pricing equation that relates a bond's price to its yield to maturity, and the limitations of this equation and possible improvements to it. In Part 2, Chapter 3 discusses a bond's price sensitivities to changes in interest rates, defines the critical terms of duration, modified duration, and DV01, and establishes critical relationships between a bond's coupon/tenor and its price sensitivities. Finally, in Part 3, Chapter 4 examines more deeply the relationships between a bond's duration measures and its coupon and tenor, and summarizes these relationships in tabular and graphic formats. Chapter 5 teaches you what is meant by a bond's convexity and explains why it is important to take this convexity into account when estimating a bond's price changes for large movements in yields. And finally, Chapter 6 contains 8 quiz questions to test your understanding of these materials.